not to fate. Old pirates chased the rabbi, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. What you have to sing, yeah, the songs of freedom was all I ever had. Redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and love? Some say it's just a prophet. We've got to fulfill on the book. What you have to sing, yeah, the songs of freedom was all I ever had. Redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption. Unless it's a baby they fall.
Yeah, Ali.
Not to fight,
Of course, yes. You want me to drop some?
where.
Okay, let me drop it. Listen.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. And no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them are gonna stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you hear to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, all I ever had, redemption songs, the songs of freedom, songs of freedom, songs of freedom.